To get started, I just added a still image to my timeline that I'd like to add the Ken Burns effect to. Let's begin by making sure the playhead is positioned at the start of your image clip on the timeline. Then select your image clip and go over to Effect Controls. In Effect Controls, click the stopwatch next to Position and Scale to create starting keyframes for the animation. Then move the playhead to where you want the Ken Burns effect to end. Drag the scale's value to the right to zoom into your image however much you want. Then drag the position's X and Y values to the part of the image you'd like to emphasize. Alright, as you can see, Premiere Pro created 2 new keyframes for position and scale. Now when I play this back, I have a nice looking Ken Burns effect. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.